In this interesting lesson, we are going to learn how to construct special angles such as 60 degrees, 30 degrees, and 120 degrees. What are the special angles? I guess because we can derive other angles from these angles. Say for instance 60 degrees plus the bisection of the 30 degrees, which is 15 degrees, will give us 75 degrees. Okay, good. So now let us construct the angle 60 degrees. So first we need to draw the line AB. All right, so with this line AB, okay, so with the center A, you pick your compass with a convenient radius. Okay, then you draw an arc cutting AB. Okay, an arc that way. Okay, so an arc of XW. Okay, good. Then with the same radius, without adjusting the compass, okay, you come to the point X, okay, the center X. Then you cut the arc, okay, you make another arc to cut the arc WX. All right, then you can have this label as Y. All right, then now you draw a line joining the point A and the point of intersection Y. All right, that way. Good. So now you have constructed angle 60 degrees. If you use your protractor, you should measure this arc as 60 degrees. Okay, good. So now we want to create 30 degrees. 30 degrees is half of 60 degrees, so we need to bisect the angle 60 degrees. All right, well, the same radius, don't change the radius. Okay, so you come to the center point X, then you draw an arc. Okay, you draw an arc. Good. Then again you move to the center point X, the point of intersection Y, sorry, then you draw another arc, okay, that will cut across the previous arc. You can have the point of intersection now labeled as Q. Okay, good. Then you now go ahead to draw the line from A, the point A, to through the point Q. Okay, good. And this gives us another angle. Now we bisect the angle 60 degrees, so we have the angle 60 degrees broken down to 30 degrees on this side and 30 degrees on the other side. So now we have constructed angle 30 degrees out of 60 degrees. Good. So now we want to construct angle 120 degrees. Easy. With the same radius that we are using, okay, you come to the point of intersection Y, then you draw another arc cutting the arc WX, that is this arc. Okay, then you draw another arc that cuts it. Good. Then you go ahead to draw a line. Okay, let's have this point of intersection now labeled as, let's say, S. Good. So now we draw the line joining A and S, or passing through the point of intersection of S. Okay, good. So now we have created another 60 degrees added to the previous 60 degrees. Okay, so now we have angle 120 degrees. Good. So now you can see why we call these angles special angles. In the next video, we are going to see the construction of some other special angles like 45 degrees, okay, and also 90 degrees.
For other interesting videos, click any of these and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to